pleasure to welcome you all in the National Implant Symposium organized by Department of Periodontics and Implantology, Desh Bhagat University in collaboration with iFix Implants. On behalf of DBU family, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude towards Dr. Neeta Shetty and Mr. Mohammad Kadri, iFix Implants, for conducting this implant symposium in our institution. We welcome you all. Now I request everyone to please stand up for national anthem. Everyone is here, so we should start. I'm welcoming you all. I especially thank Honorable Chancellor Sir and Pro-Chancellor Ma'am to spare their valuable time for accompanying all of us in this National Implant Symposium being organized by Department of Periodontics and Implantology in collaboration with iFix Implants. Honorable Chancellor Sir Dr. Neeta Shetty, guest speaker of the day, has shared her valuable knowledge among all of us about dental implantology. All the delegates interacted with Dr. Neeta Shetty and she responded to all the queries with great patience and satisfied all with her replies. Now I would request our Vice Principal Sir to please present bouquet to Honorable Chancellor Sir, Pro-Chancellor Ma'am, Dr. Neeta Shetty and to Mr. Mohammad Kadir Sir. We will proceed with the lamp lighting as tribute to Goddess Saraswati. We would like to request Honorable Chancellor Sir, Pro-Chancellor Ma'am, Advisor Sir, Vice Principal Sir and all the dignitaries from iFix Implants to please come forward for the ceremony. I'd request everyone to please keep standing for the DBU anthem.
हम हुनर पे पंख लगाते हैं और उड़ना भी सिखलाते हैं, उस पर कुछ हटकर करने की तरकीब भी हम बतलाते हैं। देश भगत रोजी रोटी से ऊपर भी कुछ ऐसे गुण बन पाते जिन पर हर कोई नाज करे, कुछ ऐसा खोज के लाते हैं वो सच्चाई पर चल जगत बनकर उभरे। कुछ ऐसी चाह हमारी है, हम ऐसा पथ दिखलाते हैं। देशभक्त यूनिवर्सिटी, देशभक्त यूनिवर्सिटी, देशभक्त यूनिवर्सिटी, देशभक्त यूनिवर्सिटी।
Good afternoon. On this occasion, workshop on implantology organized by the Department of Periodontics and Implantology in association with Kamal Meditech. I welcome Dr. Neeta Mohammed Saab. I welcome you all from the core of my heart, and you have really enlightened our faculties and students about implantology. It's a great day. Deshbhat University, Deshbhat Dental College is always very proactive in all such workshops and talks, so that they can really raise the standards, academic as well as technical, as that of dental college and that of university as well as a whole, to higher level. Our endeavor is there. Our support is always with the dental college, and they are doing their bit. And this workshop will go a long way. It was hands-on training, and must be on video presentation and all. Was it done? Physical as well. Oh, great. So then it's really hands-on, not virtual. Okay. So I thank you all, and I congratulate the team of Dr. Soni, Dr. Vikram Bali, Gagan, Rajneesh, and all other faculty members. All. Keep going, keep it up. All the best. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your words. Now we'll continue the hands-on after a short lunch break. Thank you, sir.
We'll be having hands-on at 2:15 p.m. So you have.
सही इतना दूरदृष्टि ऐसे बातें भी नोट कर रहे हैं लिप सिंग में क्या हो रहा है।
Added this into the kit. Then if you see, you have the drill extender and the latch to ratchet. So drill extender, like we all know, it is used when you are placing an implant, probably anterior, and there are chances while you are doing the osteotomy, the handpiece head keeps touching the adjacent tooth. So while you are drilling at 1000 RPM, that head is constantly touching the adjacent tooth. So to get that extra length for drilling, you have the drill extender in place. So if you see the next aspect here in the kit, you have the implant drivers. So there are 4 implant drivers here, 2 which are machine driven and 2 which are ratchet driven. So 2 machine driven are available in 2 lengths, one is short and one is long. Short for the posterior region because normally you do not have adequate mouth opening, so you cannot use a long implant driver. It will be too inconvenient to the patient as well. So you have a short implant driver, machine driven and a long implant driver, and likewise you have similar kind available in the ratchet driven as well, short and long. And then you have the hex drivers which are given here, which are ratchet driven and machine driven as well. So hex drivers is for your healing abutment, for your impression course, for your all abutment screws, you have the hex driver which will be used. So this is a very comprehensive kit which caters to your surgical and prosthetic needs as well. So below the, if you raise the kit box, below the kit box is your ratchet, the software or manual software, and the depth gauge. So while you're drilling, if you want to measure the depth gauge,
दोस्तों, आज कॉलेज का आखिरी दिन है और आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए सभी ने कुछ न कुछ सोच रखा है, लेकिन मैंने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं सोचा है। नो रियली, आई मीन इट। और आज मुझे बार बार एक ही ख्याल आ रहा है। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा। बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमा ये है। बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमा ये है। वो जिंदगी में कल क्या बनेगा, हर एक नजर का सपना